FitLabPGH believes movement should be treated as a lifestyle, not just an activity. Dogs are a major part of the movement practice, and you always want to make sure that you have them leashed. To avoid forgetting a leash and having to cancel a workout or an activity, I always keep a couple of extra leashes in the Jeep so that if I happen to get them in the Jeep, get down to the park and realize I don't have leashes, I can still take them for a walk or a hike and not have them unleashed and not miss out a movement activity. Another hack from FitLabPGH.